Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. I'm Akanksha Mishra and I'm thrilled to have you here today. At TNV Academy, our goal is to simplify complex global standards, sustainability goals and management systems so that everyone can understand how they impact our lives. Today, we will explore a topic that affects every person on this planet: hunger and food safety. We will discuss ISO 22000, the International Standard for Food Safety Management Systems, and SDG 2, Zero Hunger, to understand how safe food systems can help end hunger globally. Hunger is not just about lack of food. Many people think hunger exists because there isn't enough food. The truth is different. The world already produces enough food to feed everyone. The real problem is that food is often unsafe, wasted, or does not reach the people who need it most. Unsafe food causes illness, fear, and rejection, and large quantities are wasted. This directly contributes to hunger. That is why food safety is a crucial part of ending hunger. Now, understanding SDG 2, Zero Hunger. SDG 2 aims to end hunger completely and ensure that everyone has access to enough safe and nutritious food at all times. It is not only about filling stomachs but also about supporting good health, proper nutrition and strong food systems. Unsafe food directly undermines these goals, leading to malnutrition, sickness and wasted resources. Now, why food safety matters in ending hunger? Unsafe food causes millions of illnesses every year. When people fall sick from contaminated food, children miss school, adults miss work, healthcare costs rise, and food gets wasted. Food safety is therefore not optional, it is a human right. Without it, hunger and food insecurity persist even when food is available. Now, what is ISO 22000? ISO 22000 is an international standard for food safety management systems, that is FSMS. It provides a structured approach to ensure food is safe from farm to fork. It can be applied by farmers, food processing factories, transporters, warehouses, retailers, restaurants, and catering services. Any organization that handles food can benefit from ISO 22000. Now, how ISO 22000 supports SDG 2? While SDG 2 focuses on ending hunger, ISO 22000 provides the tools to make it safe. ISO 22000 helps organizations prevent contamination, reduce food waste, ensure food reaches the right people, and build trust in the food supply chain. Safe food systems mean more food reaches those in need, supporting zero hunger. Now, food safety starts at the farm. Food safety begins at the farm. Unsafe farming practices can contaminate food at the source. ISO 22000 promotes safe practices such as using clean water, proper soil management, responsible pesticide use, and hygiene during harvesting. Safe farming increases yield, reduces contamination, and ensures more food reaches consumers. Now, reducing post-harvest losses. A large portion of food is lost after harvesting due to poor storage, handling, and transport. ISO 22000 addresses these risks through clean storage conditions, pest control, and proper handling during transportation. Reducing post-harvest losses ensures more food reaches people without needing to produce more crops, directly combating hunger. Safe food processing saves lives. Food processing introduces contamination risk if not managed properly. ISO 22000 emphasizes identifying hazards early and controlling them through critical control points and operational safety programs. Safe processing ensures food does not cause illness and reduces large-scale rejection, protecting public health and minimizing waste. Now, transport and storage. Protecting food on the move. Even after processing, food can become unsafe during transport and storage. ISO 22000 requires clean vehicles, proper temperature control, and safe handling practices. This ensures that food reaches the consumer in good condition, preventing spoilage and health risk. Now we have traceability, building trust in food systems. ISO 22000 emphasizes traceability, knowing where food comes from and where it goes. Traceability helps organizations quickly remove unsafe products, minimize waste, and build confidence in the food system. Transparency at every step strengthens both food safety and public trust. Food safety and nutrition. Hunger is not only about quantity, it is also about quality. Unsafe food reduces nutrition and can cause illnesses, especially in children. ISO 22000 helps protect infant foods, school meals, and community feeding programs, ensuring that people eat both safely and with nutrition. Supporting small businesses and street food. Many communities rely on small food vendors and street food. ISO 22000 is scalable and can be applied even in small setups. When small vendors follow safe practices, public health improves, affordable food becomes safer, and foodborne illnesses reduce, helping vulnerable communities the most. Food safety creates food security. Food security has 4 pillars: availability, access, utilization, and stability. ISO 22000 strengthens all 4 by ensuring food is safe, reliable, and trusted. Unsafe food undermines all pillars, making hunger persistent despite adequate production. Now let's discuss about the role of governments. Governments play a critical role by encouraging food safety standards, supporting certification programs, and training farmers and food businesses. ISO 22000 provides a global framework that aligns with the national food safety regulations, helping governments create stronger food systems. Now, food aid and humanitarian programs. Food aid must also be safe. ISO 22000 helps NGOs and aid organizations prevent contamination, ensure dignity for recipients, and reduce food waste during relief operations. Safe food aid saves lives instead of creating new health programs. Now, climate change and food safety. Climate change increases the risk of food spoilage, contamination, and supply chain disruptions. ISO 22000 uses risk-based thinking, helping food systems adapt and remain resilient in the face of environmental challenges. The economic benefits. Safe food leads to thriving businesses. ISO 22000 supports growth, builds trust, creates jobs, increases farmer income, and reduces poverty. Economic stability directly contributes to reducing hunger and supporting SDG 2. ISO 22000 and global trade. International trade requires confidence in food safety. ISO 22000 ensures reliable quality standards, enabling surplus food to reach hungry regions safely and efficiently. Global trade becomes a tool to combat hunger worldwide when food safety is guaranteed. Safe food is the key to ending hunger. Ending hunger is not just about producing more food. It is about protecting food at every stage. ISO 22000 creates strong food safety systems, while SDG 2 provides the global vision. Together, they make ending hunger possible. That is all about today's session. I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV for more such informative videos. Thanks for watching.